This will be the first side dish I'm making in a new series I'm calling Backyard Barbecue Sides. This is my #1 go-to side if I have to bring a side to anything. And the Super Bowl's coming up, so this is a good one to bring if you have to bring a side to the Super Bowl. This is Frito Corn Salad. This recipe is easy to make. It takes 5 to 10 minutes to put together. The ingredients for this are jalapeños, bell peppers, onions, green onions, corn, some sriracha, sour cream, and mayonnaise. And of course, the last ingredient, shredded cheese. Let's get going. I found that this recipe is a lot easier if you get one of these food choppers. I got it at Costco. It cuts everything uniform and makes the salad a lot better if you have uniform bites. Once you have your vegetables chopped, this thing's gonna go together really fast. Add your corn to the bowl. Make sure you drain your corn well. You do not want watery corn in this. It takes away from the dish. Get your corn, get your vegetables. Hit it with some sriracha. I use about 2 tablespoons here, maybe 1.5. Add your cheese. Half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream. Mix, mix, mix. Sir. Oh, spillage. All right, once you get to this step where you stirred everything together, takes about a minute. You're gonna garnish with the green onions. Here's where I like to use my kitchen scraper. Now last but not least, the star of the show, Frito. And if you're taking this to a barbecue, do not add the Fritos until you get to the party. They will get soft. Why this salad is awesome is because you get the crunch from the Frito when you're eating the corn salad. You gotta crunch up those Fritos. They're not whole. Open the bag a little bit, it'll help you. These aren't regular Fritos. These are chili cheese Fritos, and this is a must. No substitutions. You gotta use these. This is where you get a lot of your flavor in the salad. As you notice, I didn't have to add salt or pepper or any seasonings. You get it from the chip. So you add these right to the top of the salad. You even them out. And take a look at this bad boy. Corn, chili cheese Frito salad. It won't disappoint. When you bring this to a party and people say, whoa, say, Uncle Ted sent you. Send them my link. Uncle Ted will show them how to do it. Remember, you can make it better at home.